This week we're back at our off-grid cabin with family as we enjoy time around the campfire, roasting marshmallows and telling stories. We work on a wildlife puzzle. We enjoy the hummingbirds as they fly around our head, and we enjoy some good food. This is turning into stories. Welcome back to another episode. It's a beautiful morning up here at our off-grid cabin. We're back. It's the second week of July, and a couple of my granddaughters came up with me and the missus this weekend, so we're going to enjoy a little time up here. I have two dogs, Bravo and Aspen, with me. There's Aspen and Bravo with a toy in his mouth. Going for a little walk with my granddaughters and Bravo and Aspen. Granddaughters informed me that it was time for a break. Now we're walking uphill instead of downhill. Honest opinion, how was the walk?
It was good. It was tiring. marshmallow for me. Papa, don't put your marshmallow on mine.
Oh man, you caught on fire.
Oh dear.
Oh, it's perfect.
Look out, mine is like golden, I think. One more thing.
You know, we have some pretty good stories in our church. Tell them about the bear attack. That was amazing.
I already heard about it. Hey, so I know that my dog's over there. I know that
Well, our short weekend's come to a close here at our outdoor cabin. I'm going to put the side-by-side up, load up the truck, and then we're going to be out of here. Thanks for joining me with this short video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching. And until next time, take care, my friends. See you soon.